Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Mendysss and I'm back with another video. This video will be about this glitter and glam makeup look. So if you're interested, curious, or whatever, keep on watching. And for the newbies to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, because there will be videos weekly, you guys. So the first thing that I will be doing, as you can see, I already did my brows off camera. I will be using the Pro Conceal Highlighter, once again in the color 83. Set my eyelids, I will be using the loose powder. You can use any loose powder you want. I'm using now I will be using, let me see, the Douglas Caramel Nude Palette and the Natural Nude Eyeshadow Palette. You might have seen them before in my previous videos, but I just love this palette. From the Douglas Caramel Nude Palette, I will be using the color Heartbreak. How can I forget the tape? I don't know. Now I will be using the color Earth from this palette. Making a cut crease with the same concealer. I always use the color no, actually I will be going in with the color Almond this time. Now I will be using eyeliner. I'm doing the eyeliner before I apply the glitter, because if the glitter is on your eyes, it's just hard for you to get a sharp wing. To apply the glitter, I'm going in with lash glue Now I will be applying some false lashes off camera. I'm going to clean my face because a lot of glitter has fallen on my face. This is also the reason why I don't apply foundation and then do my eyes, because you can see that even eyeshadow is falling on my face, glitter is falling on my face. Now I'm going in with my foundation, the Douglas 12 Hour foundation in medium brown. I'm gonna use my concealer in the color 83. With like the brown color. Now I'm wiping it off. I'm gonna use the exact same colors. Let me see, I'm using like the light brown first. And now I'll be using the darker color. For my lips, I will be using, same as always, brown matte lipstick. And on top of that, I will be using my Kiko lip gloss in the color 19. watching.